Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s plus e to the power of negative s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. First, the derivative of e to the power of s, we keep the same. First, the derivative of e to the power of negative s, we have negative e to the power of negative s because we have the negative sign in here. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.